Looking for radiant skin? I have a simple yet powerful remedy for you. We're going to combine two potent ingredients, green tea and cinnamon, to create an ice cube that can rejuvenate your tired skin. This blend will reduce puffiness, banish under-eye bags, shrink pores, clear acne, and brighten your complexion. Green tea is one of the richest sources of antioxidants, particularly EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, known for its therapeutic properties. It provides antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial benefits, making it effective against acne and oily skin. By regulating sebum production, the oil secreted by your skin, green tea helps prevent excess oiliness. The catechins in green tea, potent antioxidants, also protect your skin from sun damage, delay signs of aging like fine lines, and fight age spots and wrinkles by neutralizing free radicals. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is a spice packed with medicinal properties. Its astringent qualities help tighten pores, smooth your skin, and enhance blood circulation for a glowing, moist complexion. Its antifungal, antibacterial, and antioxidant effects make it a great solution for acne-free skin. Cinnamon also promotes collagen production by stimulating blood vessels, reducing fine lines, and improving skin texture. The active compound cinnamaldehyde helps activate IGF-1, which boosts collagen production. Here's how to make this simple skin treatment. 2 cups of water. 2 green tea bags. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Boil the water, then remove from heat. Add the green tea bags and cinnamon and let the mixture steep for 10 minutes. Pour it into an ice tray and freeze. Once ready, wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Take an ice cube, wrapped in a towel if needed, and gently massage it in circular motions over your face, spending about 10 seconds on each area. Move from your cheeks to your chin, under your eyes, and across your forehead. Be creative and spend a few minutes applying the ice all over your face. Let your skin absorb the treatment for about 5 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Follow up with a light toner or moisturizer for even better results. Use these ice cup